Eh, Me despierte esa mañana y estoy viendo esa foto ahí. Usted ve. Yo estoy preguntando cómo una gente que está trabajando por la migración está tratando a una persona como un animal. Dime que ese hombre aquí tiene el derecho de darle un golpe con una piedra a un haitiano. Porque los haitianos no son humanos, no son seres humanos. Como el derecho humano no es para los haitianos. Pero usted tiene que entender, la vida es así. Nada es para siempre. La miseria, la tribulación, los problemas no son para siempre. Imagínale un día La Habana cambia. Haití hace mejor que República Dominicana. Dime que si no hay ningún dominicano que va por Haití a buscar la vida. Y yo sé que los haitianos no son ladrones, solo queremos vivir. No hay trabajo para allá, no hay seguridad para allá, solo queremos sobrevivir. Pero cuando usted le da un golpe con una piedra, ese no es normal. Ya vi un video de que el magistrado de Santiago Riverón lo dio solo 5 días a los haitianos para que irse del país. Imagínate tú el hombre de rey. En 2025 tú estás hablando como un animal. Usted está pensando hacer otro masacre sobre los haitianos. No somos en 87. Somos en 2025. El mundo está ahí mirando. Ok. I want to let you know this, bro. The only reason why the Haitians keep going through that shit with y'all Dominican is because we are smart, and you know that, right? And when we are in schools with y'all, you know we got the best grade. When our student goes to college with y'all, you know we always get the best one. If you see you doing all that, we don't try to fight you back. It's not because we cannot fight you back. It's because we are very strategic. We know when we can win a fight, and we know when we cannot win a fight. And we are good fighters. If we're not gonna win, we're not gonna fight. I want you to understand that. But you've been doing a lot of shit. When it's time, shit gonna happen. And if you do another massacre on the Haitians, this time, it is gonna be what it is though. So we either die or we survive. But one thing I know for sure is 12 million people. Can you kill 12 million people? I want to know, because you acting like you can kill 12 million people. We are resilient. We ain't scared to die. We're just trying to survive. That's why we never steal. We're just trying to make it. But y'all keep treating us like criminals. Then when gas blows or when shit got hectic, I hope you can handle that shit, man, because you've been doing that shit for a long time, man. You've been doing that shit for a long time. And you don't really know who you forcing, man. You've been doing us wrong for the longest. So, when it's time, it's going to be time, bro. I'm just letting you know this shit, man. And no hard feelings for the Dominicans, but I feel like the government is the one that putting shit in the head of the population to make them do stupid shit. Big shout out to my homie Wandaron. Dominican, he been my supervisor when I was working over there. It's pretty cool, but shit, they be doing too much, bro. You see that shit, right? They be doing too much, man. That shit not fair. How you gonna hit somebody with a rock, man? And then when he fell on the floor, you stoop on him like, come on. And he didn't steal anything, but the homie just trying to survive, bro. Come on. Look at my ass drinking shit. It's crazy.